Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, the Stock Analyst. This will be a very quick video. So basically I will introduce two stocks and I believe these stocks are very good candidates for a quick swing trade. I'm not going through the fundamentals. I'm not going through to give you any price target about the company, nothing, just looking at the chart purely, just a swing trade so that we can get some quick money. So the first one is APXT, Avepoint, but they are going to merge with APXT. The initial public merger has been announced, and I'm not going to the fundamentals again, but just want to show you that year by year their revenue is increasing and you can see the upside potential. If you want, let me know in the comment box to make another video only for APXT. So looking at the chart, it looks like a nice chart. Like when the merger was announced, the share price went from 11 all the way to $16-17, came down. So it's like a nice shape, U-shaped recovery, comes down, U-shaped recovery, again U-shape, but now it's coming down and down. So let me see what's happening. The previous time it was a nice swing trade. So it went to 17, came down, went up. So like between 14 to 17 it was a good one. Now what we can see, we have finally broken that 14.15 14.2 around this area of resistance support, because the correction was huge. We came down. Now we see that we came down all the way to around $11, and that $11 is important because you can see that previously this line, the bottom one, $11 was the resistance. Then we had a gap up, we went all the way up. Now we again came down and we bounced off around this area, tried to go up, coming down. So what can happen? The market is really red. So worst case, if there is more red days coming, the share price can come down, it can hit here, and then it can bounce off up to here, or if you're lucky it can go up to here. So what I want to say, watch for this stock. If it comes down here and if you establish the position here, it can be easily a 25 to 30% potential for quick gain, for swing trade, right? And in case if it goes back to 17, it will be a 55 to 56% quick gain. And we know they will be merging, so whenever the merger date will be confirmed and everything, the share price will go up. There are many price points of $20, $25, $30, but anyway, even if I look at $17, so from $11 to $17, that's a good profit. Even though if it does not come to 11, what about like if we start from here? At least if we reach to 14, 15% recovery. If we go to $17, 40%, not bad. So keep these lines and or just save or just set some limit buy order in case it comes to $11. Grab more share, then ride the wave. Easy money for swing trade. The next one is Chargepont. Previously it was ticker symbol SPE. After merger, now it is Chargepont. Ticker symbol is CHPT. I made a video way before on SPE, but now the share price is really cheap, and just I'm also looking at the chart, looks really nice. The share price went to $40, came down, we hit around close to 50, then we started selling off, and currently we are sitting around $23. So let's concentrate this area. So this support 17.5 was a previous resistance, right? So look at these three lines. The first one is 24.75 around this area. So previously it was a resistance, then it became a support, you can see here. Then we came down all the way in, we bounced off that particular line, went up. Now we are coming back down again, and you see for last 4 or 5 days, even 6 days I would say, like around 24.6, this area is acting like a resistance. If we can't break this, and if there is more red days coming, then we can even come down. And around 20.8, you can see this is another line, so it can come here again and bounced off. or it can come even further down and it can come around 17.5 worst case. So watch the stock. If it bounce back, if the market turns green, definitely we can go from $23 to around $30 most probably. If the market is red, it will come down and establish some position. So set some limit buy order if you want to swing. And Chargepont, and again, this is a long-term hold stock as well. If you want to hold it for a long time, then why not just establish some position at this lower price. Anything below $23 looks really juicy, and definitely it will go up to $40-50, which was the previous high. You can easily double your money. If you do not want to hold it for a long time, then why not? If it comes down, then just grab some share, get some quick money and get out. Even if you establish some position around $23, then not bad. Like you can ride at least up to $28-30. So anyway, I said like this video will be on a quick swing trade. I'm not going through the fundamentals, so I will just stick to the chart pattern here. If you find this information useful, please do not forget to hit the like button. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. As you always know, I want to bring the stock which will give us quick money, easy money, right? So anyway, my friends, thanks for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.